Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today video we are going to wash my hair together, kind of in silence. I will be declarifying my hair. My hair been in this stage for about almost 3 weeks now. Last time I washed it, and it was on twist out, and it turned into a twist. And today I decided to wash it because I'm going in for a style, but I wanted to show you the process how I wash my hair. This wash day is not I did not do a pre-poo before washing my hair. So the first thing that I do is to make sure my hair is fully saturated with water. My hair does take a long time for the water to get into it, so that's what I'm doing here. I am letting the water just do its thing on my hair. Once my hair is fully saturated with water, I am going in with the clarifying shampoo. This is the one that I'm using today, the Avalon Organic. It has like lemon, and it's very gentle in your hair. The reason why I'm using the clarifying shampoo is because I am going to blow dry my hair, and every time before I put any type of like heat on my hair, I make sure my hair is it's really clean. And I use clarifying shampoo every maybe 3 months. So every 4 to 6 wash day I will use a clarifying shampoo, and then after that use a moisturizing shampoo to make sure my hair get all the benefits that it needs. This little brush right here that I always use with the first shampoo, that's to make sure my scalp is clean. It is important to clean your scalp, because remember, your hair grow from your scalp. You want to make sure you give your scalp a really good environment to thrive, and it's by make sure the scalp is clean. So follow along with me. After I'm done with clarifying my hair with the clarifying shampoo, it is I'm going to go in with the second shampoo, which the Shea Moisture shampoo. That's what I use almost every day, every wash day I should say. And use your finger to give yourself a really nice massage. For me, wash day is a relaxing day for me. I like to take my time. I'm not rushing. I use my finger. I use my brush to make sure my scalp get really treated really good, so my hair can grow and thrive. Now that my hair is clarified, it feels so good. I am going in with my Shea Moisture shampoo. This is a moisturizing shampoo. I love this shampoo. I've been using it for about 6 years now. As you can tell, it is almost done. I need to order more. And I love this shampoo. It's very gentle on your scalp, gentle on your hair, and with this shampoo my hair don't get tangled. It can leave my hair very moisturized. Again, use your finger to make sure your scalps are fully clean, and specifically if you are dealing with dandruff, you want to make sure on your wash day, this is the time for you to take care of your scalp. I like to massage my scalp, specifically with the moisturizing shampoo, just to put some moisture back in my hair. But this is my process. This is how I use the shampoo. As you going to be able to tell in the video that I have another brush that I use. This is like a softer brush. It's more for like massaging my scalp. This is where I spend about like a little bit over 5 minutes in there to make sure I give myself a really nice massage. Remember, massaging your scalp promote hair growth, and it's a like relaxed time for you as well. So that's what I like to do. You don't have to do this, you can use your finger, but I like this brush because it's like it helps massaging my scalp. That Shea Moisture moisturizing shampoo, it leaves my hair very soft. My hair, I did not detangle my hair before I wash it. As you can tell, my curls are popping just with the shampoo. I love this shampoo. I don't know what else to say about it. It really leaves your hair very moisturized. So if you can get your hand on that shampoo, you should, because it works for me, and I'm hoping it can work for you as well. Alright, now it's time to use a deep conditioner. I'm using the same line, the Shea Moisture deep conditioner. I've been using these products for a very long time. I am only gonna leave it in my hair while I wash my body, and then I'm going to put it in all over my hair. I am not going to detangle my hair in the shower today because I've been standing for a while, and standing now it's really uncomfortable, and I don't want to spend too much time in the shower. So I will be detangling my hair while I am putting the leave-in conditioner. So what I'm gonna do here, I am going to put the deep conditioner all over my head and let the water running while I'm doing that. And I'm going to take that 5 to 10 minutes to wash my body and rinse it out once I'm done. All right, the deep conditioner is out, and as you can tell, I am enjoying the water running through my scalp. I am using this time to talk to myself, soothing myself, whatever you like to do in the shower. I really hope this video is helpful if you are looking to grow your hair, if you are looking for tips to wash your hair. I wash my hair every 2 weeks. That's what works for me right now, so I do this every 2 weeks. This is like my favorite time and I love it. I hope this video was helpful and you are learning something from this. Your hair is precious, your hair is gorgeous, your hair is beautiful. Take care of it. If I can grow my hair, you can do it as well. And thank you so much for always being here and support this channel. I'll hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.